If you are preparing for an IT job interview, your technical skills are not enough, your English matters too. Hello guys, in today's lesson, we will learn some common expressions used in IT job interview. I have experience working with. I am responsible for. I developed a system that I collaborated with a team to. I solved a problem related to. These expressions help you sound more professional, clear, and confident during interviews. So follow me for more English for IT and academic success.